Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'll be installing this braided wig that I got from a seller on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead, install it, and let you guys see how it looks. Give me your honest opinion on how you think this wig look. So the wig comes with a adjustable strap. It also comes with these in the back, and it comes with three combs. So I'm gonna go ahead do my ball cap, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. So now that my ball cap is on, I'm gonna use some makeup to apply to the lace, and this is 2 layers. I was gonna go ahead and cut this off, but then I said I don't want to ruin the wig, so I'm just gonna leave it and just apply makeup all over. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my unboxing video over here so you can go ahead and check it out. Now I'm going to go in with the Bowl Hole Skin Protect, and I'm going to use that to clean my skin off, my forehead. Now I'm going to go in with my Bowl Hold Active, and I'm going to apply 3 layers, 3 thin layers. Now that my 3 layers are on, I'm going to go ahead and put the glaze in the glue. Then I'm going to go in with my elastic band to melt. I'm going to go ahead and dry my glue using cool setting. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my elastic off. Now it's time to cut the lace, so I'm going to go ahead and get these baby hairs out the way. Thank you. Thank you. Wait. So I'm going to go ahead and cut in sections. Now I'm going to go in with the Braided TIGI holding spray, and I'm going to use this to melt my lace. So I'm going to use the bowl hold lace jelly to do my baby ears. Guys, I went ahead, did my makeup off camera, and now it's time for the big reveal. So let me go ahead and take this elastic off. And voila! Tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me if you like it, if it's a yes or no, yay or nay. And yeah, tell me how you feel about this wig. What do you think about it? Feel free to comment down below. Just tell me what you think about the wig, how you feel about it. And the only problem I had, this side, it was hard to put it down, but I eventually got it. So both my ears are out, and here's the back. So here you go, guys. This is it. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.